Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I know I'm super late. It's January, gonna be over in like a hot quick second. But I did want to film my video because I haven't filmed a video in 2 months. And I have 2 more months until I'm someone's mom. I'm officially 8 months pregnant, but I wanted to do my recap of my 6th and 7th month. Just because, one, I want to see this back after I have my son. And then 2, I just want to inform you guys, keep you guys updated with my pregnancy. And then to also help someone else, so all the information that I'm kicking out, you know, isn't as abnormal as some people think, you know, whatevers. But yeah, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so I know I'm looking crusty and dusty. I don't have no makeup on. I got my hair wrap on because I'm actually deep conditioning. I'm trying to multitask right now. But yeah, so first things first, super tired all the time. Like, I cannot get enough sleep, like, ever. Plus I'm suffering from insomnia at the same time. So really, when I go to sleep at night, I sleep for like maybe 1 or 2 hours, and then I'm up, and then I finally officially get sleepy when I'm supposed to be getting up and start my day. Like, it's the worst. Like, it's just like, is this pregnancy over yet? Also, getting comfortable is just the hardest thing to do now. Like, I know they say pillows, 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 but I sleep with 5 pillows a night. And on top of that, I'm hot as hell. Like, I am so hot all night. I literally leave the window open. I leave the fan on. I have water by the bed. It's just so much going on for your girl. But that's that. The other thing is, baby is moving, kicking, fighting, you know, doing whatever he is doing in this womb. So that's exciting because I like to feel him move. He's starting to obviously run out of space now, so all his little movements are kind of painful. Just a slight, I don't want to scare nobody, but just a smidge. And it depends on where he kicks me or stretches. Like, if he stretches by my belly button, at first when my stomach was growing, it literally felt like he was about to bust through my belly button. Like, it felt like he was coming right up out my belly button. Now he's like in my ribs, so if he stretches over there, sometimes that hurts a little bit. But other than that, he's doing little kicks and punches or whatever. But you know, whatever, he's a baby. What's another thing? I'm still hungry at night, obviously, but I feel like I'm not as hungry as I used to be from my 6th and 7th month. Like, when I was 6 and 7 months at night, hunger was like, I couldn't get enough food for whatever reason. Like, it was not enough food in my stomach. But now that I'm 8 months pregnant, it kind of slowed down a little bit. Probably because he's bigger and my stomach is like up right here in my chest. Over exaggerating, but yeah. That's pretty much it. Oh yeah, my feet have grown. So I went from a 7.5 to an 8.5, and my feet are like wider now, like noticeably wide. And the day I remember them getting swollen, I could feel the swollen feeling. Like, I could, when I went to go do this, it was like a struggle to even do this for my foot, like to move it. So that's one of the aggravating things. I have gained, what, 3-4 pounds since last time. So I'm 183. Yeah, I'm 183 now. So It's not bad, but you know, I haven't been 183 since my freshman year of college. And that's because I gained the freshman 45 and not the freshman 15. But yeah, so, and I don't look that big. A lot of people don't think I weigh that much, but yeah. I know it's a lot of ums. Pregnancy brain is real. That's another thing. I literally lose my train of thought like that, like quickly. It doesn't make any sense how fast I lose it. Putting on makeup is a no, so that's why I don't have on no makeup. Cause my skin is literally like not having it. It's like, no, shut it down. You are not putting on makeup. You don't have to look cute. As much as I love putting on makeup too, and it's so therapeutic, I just can't do it right now. So yeah, it's pretty much it for my video. I am going to show you my belly bump, and I am once again officially 8 months pregnant. So I got 2 months to go, or a month to go, or however he want to come. I'm ready. I'm ready. All right, my stomach is shiny because it is moisturized. Probably see a little lint on it, don't mind that. But yes, this is my tummy. Don't look at my drawers. Don't look at my drawers. But yeah, this is my tummy. And my little baby inside it. This is it from the front. I don't have any stretch marks yet, but I guess there's still time. My little dark line has gotten darker. But yeah, this is it from the side. And from the other side. And that is pretty much it. So, thank you guys for watching my video. Thanks for the support. Thanks to anyone who is watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Coming along with me on this journey. I'm going to try to kick out my my last few videos pretty fast. I think I'm not going to stick to any official goals because 2019 is just... goals just overwhelm me every year, and then I drop them in February like hotcakes. So yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much do what I can, especially with the lack of sleep that I get every day. But yeah, definitely subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment below. I do want some mommy friends to talk to, because sometimes I be lonely and I be wanting to talk to the newer moms because I'm going to be a new mommy. So I'm so excited. And bye, guys.